Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game South Park Phone Destroyer. This works on iOS and Android and it's completely free. So as you can see, I got unlimited money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. It's super cool. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website hexmods.com. It has tons of modded apps, and then just find the South Park Phone Destroyer game. So here it is. So we're going to go ahead and press on it. You can see it says mod unlimited cache. So just a button and it's going to start downloading it. Now before it actually downloads onto your device, you are going to have to do a verification. This is where you have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it brings us to this page. It says download 2 free apps to finish installing the South Park Phone Destroyer mod. Does not matter which apps you do, but make sure you download 2 of them. And the big thing is, a lot of people will download and they won't read the instructions, meaning that they will not actually, like Alibaba says down run for 30 seconds. They won't do that. They'll just, like, I don't know, download the app. So you need to make sure you actually run it for 30 seconds if it's an app that needs to be run for 30 seconds, because some of them, like this text now, says install open and make 30-second call within 24 hours. So that's different. So just do whatever it says to do, and then you will get the South Park Phone Destroyer hack for iOS and Android devices in 2025. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to try it out because this is cool. As you can see right there, it actually works. I've tried this on my Android phone. I'm sure it works on iPhone too. I don't have an iPhone, but it is super insane, guys. So be sure to try it out. This is fully updated, guys. So I hope you guys become South Park Phone Destroyer millionaires in 2025. This is really cool. It's updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys, because this is fully working, bro.